1605 Boigo 0727574835 Mama Tefi Mitumba asamagoli amaya oteyagie
oyo nende Mama Tefi gachira samoro ko bakira kwanza ngambia mono asinge mwa bwatranene nera si biashara ya mitumba singa kiyere ntambe nandi toganderete ko bwatira na amona eno Mama Tefi gachira siri tukoli ya ko batebinga bamentri mesige menga sobonge mesigo ko Canada ne mesige ende ko China teli ko bwati ngambesa kiyo bwate chirio bwate neba ni 1500 neba ni 5000 incho sema Mama Tefi mitumba elinda nyale ko bagako bawo bosemi wa mitumba.
Gitembe Television ekiunga kia Mwamogusi.
Manjumo ligerali shitariki ni kominesa to chiomo tienyi oi komi na limo omwaka bochi bubere na 2024 chingaki amange agente gwateka chinsemo ao ime na isiko yagusi ase umubekano litkulia lero abarai kurwase kaunti ya Kisii amune kaunti ya Nyamira kusasa bengoro wangu rwagusi banyaga bakumira na chinsemo chia Nairobi na kwene kyabuna ni gabara chikobwatera na sinjira ao gochia kono kingangola tabale obumo na gokora imirimo amo elikonyora gosiri konyorera omugusi asobwamo naboigo amanganande amakonkuru chinsemo chianyeribali ase gotebekananga omwana oyo manyate ko gosire mabwaye ko bwatekananga nigasagana tuno mwibuli oye engenje aye nelinga nigachiete omuchi bwechirani gose amate na konyara koba gakuria lindasi eliria nyata ko likogera likomoletera amakweli kolinde gero togendrete togendrete mwancho umurigeria unegati altu ko ligani liris ko liara ro semar ko bayalero nje ni ngoro ko haroni ototo nyangiri ko rwa senseme manyirire ni gakoro ko Wilson Makoli konde nyuma traso ase kiunga sema ase malit ko liara ni ngongo kumanyenga liboli riao gotri boli ri itogo chia solindringa abarai barokanire bagosegeta obwamo no kubwaterana muna omugusi kerenga kia ongereki kubwatekana amone gatambugiro kia lero ase abarai banyaka bakumirana aso mucho Nairobi bunenjira ya moyo gochamo na kubwaterana asabarai bonsi abajumbe n'abasenata banyaka bakumirana aso mucho Nairobi kerenga kia ongereki nabo ko toma ujumbe yawe nyenge gwetira se namba ya 0726 447367 0726 447367 linde nyale koba ginko soma ayemo ase ayemo Manjomo ligerali goroba yalere tokuchaka nengana yogoichani kurwa ase bunge ya Nyaribali Masaba chinza mchanya masibi ase amatayamo ere no mwichano magiga yo mwiboli bumuchio yugo somo subati kubwata na komuita omwana waye ase okomwaka more bigoti kubwatikana hunaniganya tukobaga kwenda asomo chibi amataye na koli ndagera yo gatebekana koba lindasi mulikito Dani Musungu nigatwalga ndio roboti uruo asenjera yoboikirana
amateyemo kurwa ase kenyoro kiabo gikaige gotoke mianya masibi wo de mianya Nyaribali Masaba nigegase ni gotigara no moichano oro monene mono mega yo mongina bwinke yiga gwa komwana oyo momura omoro ase bigoti biaye na komoita okoba yerinda asia tiete koria bwechirani yaye
kumbu mwana oniga itake bisa nyaro akanyaro bondasi bwenge nyomba akaira nyarali ero lende bantu mbamumanya bana bakunda ngilingucha konyora nwara buto kumurusi ororo mwana uyo ogonte bintu kiagera ninchara abumuchanga no lengoro ewe ikamaroba ngina lende takora kene ngina kumbo ochiro nkonywara amaru otebi wo mwana ugona to kamambya sigete nari achete gokora ki okuimukia omwana oyo okomwaka buna bagoteba moyo mugakoyo gocha okondangire ogontebi omusubati oyo mata atindete nanda goita omwana oyo enchera embe nari togochi gocha tokanyora omwana oyo ekene naitire omusubati oyo agatama
koreng'ana nabo igo n'abanyakenyora abaigani go banyara kwerera buna igo omusubati oyo gagoika bono abeire gagoita abana baya boika bakure abana bane asa abana obo igo bagasini gokwa ase chinjira echi chiobotutukanu ekaraba igo omusubati oyo anyarte gotamera ase egetuo kia abanyanyimbo
bugatitie gitera omusubati oyo nchera agatama gochi polisi nari abasigari banyamasibi baimogete bakaimukia omwana oyo baka omwisoko omwabo akamwira bakaichuni ogoika ichuni tachi bagatumu keroka nari baira nti nandi omwana oyo gocha egoika ba pikipiki akomoreta nandi komubeka para togotebi bunyamasibi ki omwana nandi oretiru orebekiru para songo kera twatomboka bosongo omwana oyo nabaigeta agakwera nchera kera kwera nchera tukamugacha rene nware mochari wane kero gitu gocha se family ento bwata bokong abonene omusubati oyo obereka gutindika abana bane na abana aba bagukwa senchire tamanyikaini mara abandi twigune nchare ko bari mara abandi batoka borere bakwete abana botindikire goika abana bane oyo no yokane
koreng'ana na n'omogaka omonyene enkeye iga niganyara kwera nigo omusubati oyo abeire omwenenu ase enkeye iga kende gionsi agochikoborigwa n'omogaka oye nigagonchokera omogaka oye omochaba na komoa binyerere ase eng'encho nigegotebekana nyonya n'omong'ina oyo iga nigagotumeka amario gario gotindia ekaraba igo banyare gosaba eserekari gochigweswana nigochia ase eng'ana eye iga ase eng'encho ya amate iga bo igo nigote babwati nyomba ase bakomenya bo igo nigo botaka bobaetananete kianda gikomia ase enkeye iga
omusubati oyo akoimoka tamati igore mahitaji ya abana amarume tamati bana ngi bakoria amanu ara kwing'otera okoreki aruboki magwae tamati mahitaji ya abana omusubati oyo nigo nanyarota gisene ngaboneke ngamoreteru nyomba yangoteire endagera konyona na echungwa nkonda natega mosukete bwatiri ritukeri nabo rigwete igo gakia serikali motago nkoa nyomba timbwati buna bana iga eamate ebatumere tare ng'omusubati oyo netete omwana natega mosukete bwatiri ritukeri nabo rigwete igo gakia serikali motago nkoa nyomba timbwati buna bana iga eamate ebatumere tare ng'omusubati oyo netete omwana bana na abana ntigarete nabo aba kende ngei bakori njera teiyo gakia serikali motare gonkoni
koriboteri getaseni kia getembe korwa iga ase ekenyoro eke iga kiabo geka ekegotoka emianya masibi gwodi emianya ribani masaba erieta riane igo nkorokwa Dan Musungu
njumo ligero togotigana roboti oruo nigo rituko ria lero abarai korwa ase county ya Kisii amune ria Nyamira kubwa muno abajumbe amuna abasenata banyaka bakumirana ase county ya Nairobi gosomo cio Nairobi atubanyaka bagokwanira buna chinchira abachiri babere bakorigia elikumirana kubwaterana asobwamo esokonyora kumugusi abajumbe abo n'abasenata bakora muno musenata bwe county ya Kisii musikiri jari mu Moinyonga nabo igo omujumbe bwebunge ya South Mugirango musikiri Vana Zosoro oyibo igore omuchief whip nigo banyaka bakwaneke buna ukubwaterana na gukora emirimo amo na gukurairire okonyora kumugusi ase amagenderero andos
otebanga gotwachichaga iga buna barai bagusi I think mwensi motomanyete mheshimiwa Taria of course chigavana chitebere nchiyo sengenje gasinere bale gokora Senator Njekuru Nyamira he gave an excuse because he was having a lunch meeting he supposed cover akina motebi agendo otwachira okugamba lingana lisirini tuanchira ne buna barai bagusi to ichama buna bana bamo bali batamanyiti tokoro kumwanya getinge tosikane tuanchane tuanze koranga ki serikali erobone gokolegasi in terms of ngaki turanyale gusaba serikali ebintu gete batoe biri turanyale kuira gusibi chikokonya abantu baitu onye kunyale kana enchereri gigwe tuanze gukwana tukurigia magenderero na arabana inchi batagete gusi so etimu yebuna tuleiga otuancheranire nande twasikanire to babana bano abamo tuanchane tokolega asiamo na ande bono tugukwana neriogie limo muntu tayo gukwana ke mambia ankiende kwa ibune kende na ande tu decide nga for now ntuli kugamba mangana political parties chipati yeto no chire abara iyo chipati no bale lakini bono tu decide kwira na gusi bono nyumba tole. I appreciate abara yaba mushimo soro bonsipi mushimo Jafet na bagambi bali bonsi bale gaiga bakolire gasingiya oyo noro mwelekeo mugusi atagete tuichamo tubuaterane tusikane tuanchane tokole gasi.
Like any other community, all the other communities in Kenya, the community from Gusii is faced with similar challenges that we all know. The challenges of road network, the challenges of health, all those challenges that electricity, I mean, they are not really isolated to only other regions. They also, challenges that we face in Gusii. So we sat today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and fighting together, putting our synergies together to make sure that we pull the resources towards our people for the benefit of the common mwananchi. I think
and next time we believe that our governors and the women reps, especially Mama Doris Donya, who was not here because she has traveled out of the country, and anybody else who's been elected, we want to start working together as a team. At some point, I believe the chief whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely, we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government, because all of us understand the Kenyan political matrix has changed. We now have a government that is broad-based. We are no longer having the issues of opposition and other issues. So that is what I wanted to say, and we are very, very proud and happy about this moment. I think this is the first time that all of us have realized the significance of staying together and working together for our community. Hatuwezi kulizungumzia sasa, tutakaa kama viongozi, tutalizungumzia alafu tutatoa ujumbe rasmi. We will answer and respond to those issues very, very soon, once we have all the data and the information. Yes.
Mwanjo muligereria roboti una rogotwira se ribori jito ri tukuria lero ase tokuborenga kerengere kia ongerekivu naye omugusi anonsie sole igoro ye kerengere kia barai bagusi go chamo kerengere kia ongereki igoro ye kerengere kio kia barai bagusi kugania go chamo na gukora emiremo asobwa mugosi kubwatirana namba yesimi 0726447367 0726447367 libori riao ko chitori kulisoma masa ya mugo chio mwelio gwekeunga chinsa ibere na libori ko lirorera kiringa kerengere kia ongereki gwetirase abarai bagusi kugania kubwatirana na gukora emiremo ase obwamo togendrete omwanchu murigereri nigo abateneri 19 abamatemo manne AKCSE yayogendrete banyaga bakobekwa byara obotuko bokerero ase eskuru yake babe yango bwatakana amone chisimisa to cyanya yatako bachigo toka ase abaroki wabare gokorera matem nabo igechinde 19 gose chinde emeronge 3 neyemo gotoka asinyomba choboraro ime yeskuru ejo kwaniki korekio no mo DCC we sub county ya Kenya omosike William Bet uyo nyarakabaka kwaniki korekio buna gutumanyia omorigito Isaiah Maowe
Bobisabu 19 baringe kurigereria matemu ase skuru yake babe nigo benyorete hasa ko ngumaga yesi musatu gotoka hase kirasi yake moki arenge gukora matemu igintu nonya nabigo kirete bono obonya byubotini gokorwa ase skuru iyo nabo igo kisimi 30 amoneyemo gotoka ase dormitory yabamura yeskuru yibuna kaenekia mu DCC Kenya.
Simu 3 zilipatikana katika hilo darasa moja ya mtihani. Ikapatikana simu zingine 31 katika dormitory ya wafulana, na hizo simu zilikuwa on zilikuwa zinafanya kazi.
Inga nonya chisimie chio chiatwegete amo naborokiwa gente kio tigetenetie amatemu ya borokiwa abo unabono mutisisio yo atebiruna amatemu ayo nigagendrete asoboikiranu.
Wale watoto walipatikana na simu kwa sababu hii ni wakati wa mtihani. Watoto wanaendelea na mtihani, uchunguzi ikiendelea kujua hizi simu zilikuwa zinaingiaje huko kwa shule.
Egere kwene kinga matemu ayonko genderare asobu asioko na boigo amono murembe abobisa bonzi bateneta matemu ayo nigo bateneti wasikeka egintono nyina boigo modisisio yo ene kiruna nigo oborendi bwatingiwe.
Center manager, deputy na supervisors na invigilators walisimamishwa kazi mara moja na wanaendelea kuandikisha statement na idara ya DCI wale wakiendelea na uchunguzi wao. Wale wapatikana wako na makosa watapelekwa mbele ya sheria.
Na kubwatekana amo negekore kiogyo gotoka chisimi asaborokiwa aborokiwa abo botuko boigoro nigo baimogete na boigo gochaka gusarie nibo yeskuru egentononya na boigo ebyombe byobotuki byaminyogete na boigo koreta omurembe sebono baine kiribuna abana bonsi no barena nigo bagendrete amatemu.
Tukaweza kutuliza hali mara moja, tukaweza kuita wanafunzi na wakaja hata wa viongozi ya shule, principal alifika, tukazungumzia watoto, tukaambia watulie ndio waweze kumaliza mtihani katika njia ya amani.
DCC bet nigaene kiringa hagati enibo yeskuru yasaletiwe ngamo amo ne abisi yobotenere weskuru ebyo naboigo amo nebinto ebingegati abo gusaliwa kwebirore ase eskuru eyo.
Zile vitu ziliabrika katika hiyo shule ni tuliona madirisha, hizo vioo vya madirisha zilivunjwa na pia tukaangalia ofisi ya administration pia ilivunjwa milango na madirisha, na pia laboratory tuliona kama walipika vioo ndio sana ndio zilivunjwa.
Chinga kichecho mudisisio yoni gaboliri abayiboli koma amo nobole mwegentono nyina boigo atebire buna aboroki wabonsi ondeta yo nyore tune chingoma ase aene kiruna amatemu yoni gawo chigokoreka ase njira yo murembe na mweroki wondeta yo urachikoruswa asa amatemu goika amatemu aelire.
Watoto wote wako, hakuna ule aliumia, labda tu majeraha madogo, lakini waliweza wote kurudi na kufanya mtihani leo asubuhi.
Inkoripotari yegataseni kiagatembe kuruhase skuru ya kibabe gutoka se wodi ya Bukimonge bunge ya machoge bwa bora buime county ya Kisii. Eliotaliane Isaiah Maobe.
Na boigo ya mata ya mukuru chinsa machiari uli wodi ya Masimba na ronigere no mwichano maiga yomu sacho ya mukuru wasomo chibomboga gosirio mbuga na magiga yaje ekero amategante kuroberia ame roberio yoko mwenia nigo mumuro mwabo anyariko bagagukana gwetirase okubunedemero una mumuro yo mwabo tanyariko bagakwanigwa muna roboti urugo cha sembeo.
Omwana ominto ombogo yobeire ukorara niga arwarete tokaiguna arwarete amaene pinando tokaigu mumuro ominto manene ngomwerari nyakitari ekiaire familia yari kwenyara omwana ominto bunabona asirete iga mwana ominto omumuro ina rori kori memengondo yonsipi bono agatwaro kosemelinga namwe nyakita itamoya batiembe tokarangerio omogori ekero bona amaseri kori boye agateba omogori muboni amana tokonyo bulimo tokanyomo samaria gatwa 20 tokagerete ngomwana ominto kana nyakita ari rinda bwene tokwirana ndi tokorana no mogori oyo iga ebatiembe akasira bona emero buri kegenderete kiagera motige tabu karwa takagenda moro ochire bono igago komboleni ngomongori oyu ngakia kogoro boli muga boli mokibole ga kogore embe iguru akaga bitiso akawa bitiso omogori oyo agatika kotoa chibesa konyori family yari mire nyomba buno mwana yatebete rusu mata bwe ebe kucha sata gete bono family ekwamete omobero kwamete mochari omomuro ni gagenda tukotisie family amana into abasibati ngango toitare into ndora marama ndora kora kindi nande ndora rira monto into bono omwana oyo minto nasembe igora amenyete twataka tumanya kuri serikali gose nabwato bolimo kyari abayigori mbaba aterete onyo bolimo boro bwaye tumanya no bwaye omukungu yagenda nabana tumutigero bolimo kyari bolimo bole mire myaka emenge no agoreire bakomungu no moke obone mukuru abu moro obwo bukale moro ne family ya rusi ye chibesoro tomotigoro bole mungu e family agende timoke chisoba
tata buna asirete abatua muntu twasemerete ore komokonya tachiti komokonya bone ikero musomi ntorarire bono tukabange emeroberi yae tata nena abange to muntu akanyoro yo kugoro mugondo 50 by 100 tukabanga nga agateba gakubwena chiwe sigotigara agachirwa sigeta para kurugoro goito bone ikero momo gakuminto ango ya numro monene yekeire osoire goteneni omonto ria ore gotwachibesa
mwana minto sirete na achire se itokorera na nyore mangana garo amakongo mwana minto rina gabegete bitango mwana minto tatinde bono tuachire se serikali kumura anti moto konyo mwana yo minto atinde ku senchere ndonga abana ba embaro mungno enaro na intubuna abana ba mwabo tuma yo mwana minto atinde ku serikali yo stigeso esimbarati bonso so imeto konye mejande yonsiere mwana minto atinde ku aina na bwate gatu
Jumuligereri abo no tokonyora libagato ndo mutimoko moke okorende tokonyora enkwana yeri tuko tokogenderanyo umutimoko tokwirana ningendera kumanya mange ime yekiunga chinsa ibere
yetekokonyaka endagera aboneti omwana omusubati oyo akoimoka tamati gore maitachi y'abana amarume tamati bana ngi bakoria amanu ara ko ingota rokoreki aro bokima bwa tamati maitachi y'abana omusubati oni gona anya utakisene ngaboneka ngamoreta ru ngamwakanira chiombe ndende ari atekesabwite gora abaibori bana bakure timbu ati baibori mama na tata mbaiyo nyomba yango teire endagera konyone chungo nkanda natega musukita bwatiri itukeri nabori gwete igo gakia serikali mutawa ngo nyomba timbu ati kuna bana iga amate ebatumere tare ngo muswate une to mwana bana na bana antikarita na aba kende ngei bakuri njera teyo gakia serikali mutare ngo
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Renew your subscription today to enjoy top entertainment. Lots of fun and adventures on our kiddie channels.
Wow, that's amazing!
Let your favorite stars make your heart flutter on our world-class telenovelas.
You are my baby.
Unmissable football action on the Saudi League, Carabao Cup, La Liga and the Bundesliga.
This is absolutely wonderful!
Renew your subscription today to enjoy top entertainment, music, movies, documentaries and lifestyle across our fantastic channels. Download Star Times on app today to never miss a moment. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Jipatie majiko ya kupikia yaliyoboreshwa au yale yanayotumia nishati safi kama vile jiko lililoboreshwa linalotumia kuni au makaa kidogo, jiko ya makaa ya briketi, biogesi, gesi ya LPG, umeme, ethanoli au jiko linalotumia nishati ya jua. Teknolojia ya jiko safi ya kupikia ni hakikisho ya afya njema na utunzi wa mazingira yetu, kwani hutoa viwango vya chini vya uchafuzi unapochomwa na uacha jikoni mwako ikiwa safi. Isitoshe, huokoa pesa ambazo ungetumia kununua kuni nyingi na makaa. Upishi bora, afya bora. Bonyeza *789 *788# kupata muuzaji wa jiko lililoboreshwa aliye karibu nawe. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwenu na Wizara ya Kawi na Petroli na washirika wenza.
Manjumo ligerali karibu nande ngandere wakumanya tokerna aze bunge nyalibali chache nigo ya matayemo korwa ase ekenyoro kia mwaisaboke nigo yaboka no mwichano magayo gosambiro nyumba na bantu batamanyakaine amateyo korengana na barabo nigo goikera bonega bataramanye kikerera omgo egetambukere kwe mukigwa nigo banyako abagosiria enibo yabo na nigo baburirie buna onde bwensi oyubaranyore babwate edende yaye gosesiraye nyaka baga gwesokia hari baga kubakorera gosako mukie getambukero bunekyo
rutegasi ngacha gore na rutegasi ngachaka ngachanga isibiga ngasoka wono koirana ngacha gwakirwe simete nyumba ya ire sinkorara ono nali na chatega nganyore nyumba ebune yete bune bintu biyete kere nte kiya yerete nyumba certificate chiana ona beko bimechando igo bono nande niche bwega ngonya go isuguma iga kene ngebe gyatigarete nyumba
yore na nona ari ngisuko ga bono njingo chukurigero nganyore nyumba egwo ko muriro ngo chukumyoka koigura nganyore umuriri bintu byose biyayire bire nyumba by'umwana Brian bono kurwa ngo kura ngachukura abantu bagaja mache na nyumba imetungi bagasiara mache kokonya kurimya umuriro bono kini gurende konya ibintu bingi byayikire kuyini kende ngeyo tugete konya se nyumba yiwe bono ngo sawa konya ndu bate kagero umwana wene ari biko go struggle kuri bamukonyo undu yora bo musamariyoni
ko ite para iga kanyo mungu kumnyaka gujanga mu nyumba ya yiri wali to kumnyaka guja tukanyora mani nyumba ya yiri irumwe ya ibintu byarenge mebi umwana oyo ibya yiri byose tukatema kulimi bakasi yali meta ona se gokonyo n'umwana oyo babateri na janda tuamate jikura wali tantu abaite kende na tokonya yesu mu ruwe taronto manyi nyumba itari ko utu
ngo sabemo MCA to Walter akikora ren kuende atokonya nkonya buna inche kerega ndokia neke yete boniga chanda
Petra ase ABC yomo chumbe bunge nyaribal chache moske sairi chanda ate inse yobura ibwaye omunyakirogo uwe gosomoteneri OCDF ime ye bunge yo Evan Magori igwanya kwa bako bwatuka abokonyi gochia se amata yamo litukulia lero ime ye chinse macheke umbu iyo yanyata kwa gosiria mwanchu abo kurende banyakoba bagotwara bututukanu igoro yokonyora chinjire choko niwe mwaboyo ase ogotebanga noene nyumba ubwaga chine bwakongete kurende litukulia lero nigo gwetira ase abesie yo mujumbe sairi chanda banyakoba bwatuka amabati gochia somo choyo nabo igurwa obokonyi au obwochikone kyabuna nyagosire kunyara kabalega kwenigwa roboti gurwa rwaliganigwa no mulikito Bonves Ongeri
Maiga ya mateyamo korwa ase kinyoro kiageterere ime ya kiumbu ase bunge nyaribari chache korera na koboria gokonywa asogokora emirobiri ya nyagosira William Nyamari eyo yabulire nchira imagoroba ya lero ni gobono ya mateyo yabotokirwa obokonyi bokoroberia amatangayo naboigo amabati obokonyi baboko batokwa amone abisi yo mubunge bwenseme yo moskeza irijanda
chanda menene asengecho twari kurigichombe tokorosie nyumba sanduku netakeire keregento ndagira bono mpaka eikera tuligereri busa lakini akera yeikeiriga mweshimiwa itakera tuigure naso ito toira neiro gusaba waitu tokoira neringambi yamono akitikanya sawa itagendera ko mwachi nguru naenda konya abande talinga nintu tweka
mono mwaikera o maene ntubono twalinya gushuka ngora tunya muno muroche nyombe ya omire kabireye otonya komona tatenya koma ondo ko tokonya kene tekubeka igo bona twalenga tine ego shinyapi torushye kerame kutubeka waje ngobena kyale lakini watena totraji kurushya tubeke mete igo rawu na wonya sara koro konja kwaye
bakurawa na Evans Makori abo bisabaiga government buna gokonya mbuya na monas chamate kire kibwate oboremerwa ao boigo amakongu egetambokero boigo amate nyogosira yagokera
Urayo bomboli raisi lakini ngotemara sakonyara inumo manyete anytime umuganeti ngotemari sawa aenderende yona assurance tokorunga na otogendrete ko bamunainwe mpaka mukole program ya matanga
nande nyasama manta chinguru nonyane mireme yaye kanansirete kerugi kiaye nyasama mokonye nande ngakienda genderere inteni gonere ni ngasinya sai asimoko genda abana bani magende buya ayimu akorire mbiya muno intena kunyara gati utole mere krasi tagera tei kene ngejo ngongo saba ngambi ya mana ayi mwakori
Nyagosira William Nyamari nigo asiretio obugima bwaye ekiaeta asensemo ya Nakuru maiga yogoitwa n'abantu batamanyikaneti kinga kiarenge asemiremo yoborende wabotuko kinko reporter ya egeteni kiagatembe Eriane Boniface Ongeri
Ogonyarituo mwanjwa omorigererire borire tukuria lero nigo twaboringa korengana amo negatambukiro kia barai bagusi bakurawa mono mo senator we county ya Kisii Mosike Richard Momoi Monyunga nawe mujumbe we bunge ya South Mugirango Mosike Silvana Sasoro yogogania gocha mona kubwaterana gukora emirimo asobwamo aye ekerengereri kia omuno mwanjwa omorigereri andonsi sore ekerengereri kia ongere kigoro yokocha gosokogania neganga yogochamo kwa barai bagusi Namba yesimi 0726447367 nabo okoli karibu liria ugocha nkuchinde kulisoma segekegeke koru bono Mwanjwa omorigereri nigo abarandia korua ase orogongo rwa Gusii kuba muri county ya Kisii Muneria Nyamira banyako bakumira na ritukulia lero ase mu buganio yomo ime yomo cyobusongo banyako bagutwara emiroberi ao na kweneke buna nigo banyate kuba nigo bagenderete kuroberia nchinjira ao cyugo cyikomirana na gutwara cinga gicia masabo banyako bagusabira ense ya Kenya kubwa muno orogongo rwa Gusii ase amakongu ao ali orogongo rwa Gusii amonense ya Kenya rogendete gwetira boigo nigabarandia bairari bagerio kuganiria aborokyo bali bagendete na matemu abo a komina kabere gose form 4 amaya kerabagendete ana matemu abo aboigo kuboria baibori kubwatesia aborokyo babo cinga kiechi bagendete na matemu KCSE
la ronto no moko maneke kima kunya bagini baito korwa kembekia Shine the World obayo tado mojo Gusii kolete nchie na ense yetu ya Gusii especially umako gocha na roba just ngijoka introduction Gusii yetu ya bere nime chande menge abantu bakwengenta magera mange abantu bange bara nyali ngale Nyasaye wetase kyombekea Shine the World tomenga Nyasaye jo jenja Gusii kwenye kolebe Gusii yenge mono na kukinia otola kwa Gusii ose mangana ke Nyasaye jo Gusii eko era mbara bataba unleashed lakini wetase kyombekea Shine the World ndono mananga Nyasaye jo jenja Gusii
ya abaminto abagusii baito esmotegerete na ande smoko ligere kuruase wikaransete igono no mogoko monne sana on behalf au kaniaba yabarandi bons p abagusii esbale ime ya Kenya na isko ya Kenya in the diaspora asengenjo yabaminto kuru America a ministry kuru Shine in the World Ministries ekokole minimo pamoja na a ministry ekoroku World Apostolic Network asoko chamo korengana namasabo asabirwe ase miaka ya etire abaminto basabire abakoli emerebo ya tata abapastor baito aba bishop and ministry gaiga Kisii na Nyamira bakoli emereme Yeremia.
Thank you, Bishop, and thank you, the clergy team and the church community here in Kisii. On behalf of Shine in the World Ministries, our president, and our team of ministers from around the world, I bring you greetings, I bring you love. Amen. And we are saying the time for Kisii is now. Yeah. We are not a church, we are a Christian evangelistic mission working around the world. We work interdenominationally alongside like-minded teams like the World Apostolic Network under the auspices of our bishop. And we have been waiting for this moment.
Abana baito ngokora bara matemu abaiboli gakitenena na abana ba support kabisa basabere babeke chinguru ba encourage na abana baito esmole le makapisa ekyagera amatemo gokora na alia ya masomo mwasomire ebitabu mwaligireirie na inde ali mwaorokereriwe class na arumojiko translate as exam igomo wasikobo mo wasiko panic na inde balibako ngainereria ngamatemu nare akoniwa kaki tamakuru ororo ekyagera okuno gusapotage e future y'abana baito igatoko basabira amaya buna barandia ngo babikira turamasabo na kwegena Nyasaye na abae obubwi bwa bene asereteri ya Yesu Kristo.
na omo sub county commander gosomo DCC oborabu sub county commissioner gosomo DCC oborabu asirieta Stanley Kamande iganyaka bagakuburia abantu bonse bali emirimo kubwa emirimo ya serikali gotwara obwamato buya n'abananchi elinde banyaka bakwariganirwa buya chingaki bakogenda omutimo kugose bagochikoritaya nigo omo Stanley Kamanda kwana iga asomo iga bokogendanga bo senior chief Alfred Onchonga Nyambati magayo kore mirimo ase emyaka 20 noyomo
konyera cyane ngo no buchibe education yesise division borabu sub county na kori gasi ase emyaka 20 noyomo nenus onenge kiane ya ikirengo chikoritaya bakenya sayambu yamono anda ira ase emyaka yonse na kori gasi ase mopaka gasi enkongu kubati chombe chisigi paka na ikigiane ngoritaya so ngote ambia muna sabantu bonse na gambire asokombwatisia kuomaiga yane paka na igiringa kiyega gitukuria leo nimbatu muigo no wako kwali kurwabisi abantu bamwe bakwangiro kwali nchika mbine na abantu baminda somolembe
nanche nkumwira ni nyasaye ngambi yamono yakogera kuru chinga kichu mwaka etu bugambi bu 204 tuabire nabwo ndochenga okolire gasi yaye buya kabisa urendire eke erie ya borabu uchungire chiombe muna chiko ibua no ale amona abamu aba bakubwaterana naende bono ikire ingaki yaye yugo chikuritaya.
So mimi nasema don't go and rest. Ukienda kupumzika hautaenda mahali parefu. Umeresewa the sort of rules you can pray. Enda kwa kanisa, kuna kazi ya Mungu bado iko utafanya. Katika community endelea kutumikia wananchi. Na ni kujituma hapa because most of these elder umeona hapa you are aware hawalipi mshahara, ni kujituma, but there is a blessing that comes from serving people, na hiyo blessing utaivuna if you decide to volunteer your services to the people. Wapatie advice, ingia kwa vikundi. He is an authoritative advisor, anakuambia kitu yenye ni ya ukweli yenye itakusaidia kusonga mbele. Even after retire, kumbe kuna kazi, so we shall do that. Watu wengine wao wanaharibu wakati yako na kiraoni, anaenda nyumbani na kiraoni, anavaa kiraoni yake mpaka nyumbani, anaharibu. So if I mistreat them, if I ignore them, if I abandon them, the same thing will happen during my retire. They will mistreat me, they will abandon me, and I will have a difficult time during retire. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri mkae vizuri na watoto wako, mkae vizuri na wake wako, and then you have a good time during retire. Sasa uweze unyenyekee.
Jemono mwanjo muligere senga njoko enda kaba amona intuli boli na boli ndinga kolengana nikanga yaborai bagusigo chamo na korokiga masobwamo ekarengerikia ungereki emagoroba ya lero nabange sana mwanyaka wa mukolika chichumbe cheino aso obonge kigima munabono chweya nyamieka agotebanga ikinege tambo mabiri no alengase omugutano yo igotaringana talengo yagotebanga tiga bagenderere gokora emirimo amo oyungene ti korunyamira na boigo na bange bagendete kulika SMS iga chigo chase obonge na yagotenga igombuya tigabura ibonse bagusi bache amo elitunya kabatoko nyora magendero yakoroku Emmanuel koru kerongorori SMS nigo chiri nyinge mono omonjo muligereri na mbuya mone sengencho yogo sanga na intwe ase ensemeyo yogo nyakobwa korwa ebirengereri ebyeino kolenda bange baino nigo mogotebanga bache amo elinde banyaka bakobwaterana na kwenda kimna omugusi ngogenderare tokogenderera omwanchu omuligereri gose nigo ngochikogotiga na roboti korwa ase ebunge orwo ro kwenekia ebirengereri abyanya takabikuru uritukolie goro nabachumbe kubwatekana amo no morobolio muye omanyiketemna sha gose social health authority na boigo social health insurance fund oyo nyaraka bagogochakibwa amatuko 48 aitire botutukana gwanya kwa kwa nikigwa kima na engwane yuni gwanya kwa nikigwa amo nabajumbe litukuligoro ime ye bunge roboti ngo chikotigira asembe mwancho omuligereri nche ni gongoro kuharoni ototo nyangiri otubadere na kuransa yemenyererio niga korwa Wilson Makoli na bwe kuransa ya transmission niga korwa Kelvin Onkeli goza DJ Atsani gogandia magarabengia.
Magaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Ne na ale komenya miaka michini na makumi kumi ndole bigori muga ntanda nchi woru mugaya ni otali musunte naki na ale komenya miaka michini na makumi kumi ndole bigori ntana nchi wora mugaya ni otali musunte igongaki emyaka oyo igo umuntu uyu mukoro ntaro lyo birenga keranguru aro liroro liramangana amange gocha mubuli ngana na berabe na nyolte ngana gete ngakingana gete yale kobe kwikale yabe ireiga nere bono chintanda ne chinsinyo chintana ntana nensinyo inensinyo nensinyende iga bono orore takiti etagitabarai ikino ndugo kwana uburai koma gochora barai tigere libuya bachore buya mutiga gochora barai bawo chakole tumusunte yaya tata abandi bago tebiguna ki ayo chiche tongari majira cyara sirondonga cyakire kino kora gito kirora ebintu kwa kya mincho iri abantu tongari amaje ochiche tongari maje cyara sirondonga na umugusi yatebete naki ukwaro ibintu kyabo na kyabaiga ikibono uragitika kitigi ngane yetige pi tiagona ko yiro tutakurumega na ryo tandu takora utaye ikere
Magaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Honorable Speaker, it is usually the desire of every government to provide health care to its citizenry. And as it were, Honorable Speaker, there was need to change from what was old and of old generation, the National Hospital Insurance Fund, to what was presumed to be a better quality healthcare system, the Social Health Insurance Fund, SHIF, that is to be managed by the Social Health Authority.
The authority is called Social Health Authority. And this authority, that is the SHA. This authority was a creation of this House. It runs 3 funds: the Social Health Insurance Fund, the Emergency, Chronic and Critical Care Fund, and the Primary Health Care Fund. All the 3 funds now replace the one fund which we had, the NHIF.
To catch. What about people who are self-employed? What about the indigents? What are we able to do to them now? And that is where the problem is, because they can register. And even when they register, then you have to determine the premium they have to pay. As it is now, that is not working well.
Of the public into the Social Health Insurance Fund. It might be politically expedient and very politically correct to speak to the gallery of how things are not working, but as we speak to Kenyans on how things are not working, let us remember that Kenyans have charged us with the responsibility to make sure that things do work for them.
One of the things that I can indeed say is that the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So it is actually too early to even say, we would be cheating ourselves to say that here are the benefits. We don't know the benefit yet. If you are an excellent person at monitoring and evaluation, you cannot say within a month that we can see the benefits. So yes, we will probably see the benefits much later.
And I have decided, since Sunday I decided that I'm going to help. So for me, I'm going to go out flat to register all my constituents. But we have to involve other players. Let's not say that we have enough staff. Those CHPs, if they were trained to actually register people in this scheme, it would work.
Services. But today they are being asked to register again. And I think this is where the biggest problem is. So we would like to hear from those responsible why there was no bulk transmission of existing members under the previous insurance scheme.
Denial to access to health. I went to 2 hospitals that are mission run, 1 public referral hospital and 1 level 2 hospital. And I interacted with the patients and I gathered there is a big problem.
With the implementation of SHA and SHE, it's about the clarity of the transition. Mr. Speaker, when the government decided to move from NHIF and now to the SHA, which is the authority, and with the benefits that we are being given by the chair, from SHE to the emergency to the primary care, there was no proper communication and clarity.
Just like any other program or project, there will be those teething problems when it's being implemented. And I think that is where we should focus. But there are also success stories. Honorable Speaker, I'm just from my constituency. The whole week, I was not in Parliament last week. And I did public participation. And one of the issues I was sensitizing my people on was on SHA.
Every member here, I'm sure every weekend, you are being called for some arambe, even when they know they burnt arambes. You are being asked to contribute for some sick person. It is humanitarian. You can't start telling them arambes were banned.
Put a desk in our constituencies. Let us register our people through our community health workers so that we see these numbers, so that we now get to understand, and even as ourselves, to have a tent here, outside here.
So this is basically the main problem that we have as a nation. All these registration processes have failed before. In the last parliament, we placed 6 billion each year for 3 years for purpose of registering indigents. Nothing came out of it.
What is the fate of the NHIF staff? As a result of that, they expect them to work as if they are very happy. And these are some of the things you don't get right and you fail. The third point, Honorable Speaker, the issue of the budget. The allocation has been less than a quarter of what is expected. But to make things worse, we come here and publicly announce that we have a digital system which we are going to install, which is going to cost 104 billion.
We have access to social media, we have local media, we have vernacular media. Why don't you use all this that you have access to educate Kenyans properly, to understand this, and also take on the feedback that you're receiving from Kenyans?
Government must take this thing very seriously, because even as I speak, there are many people who are not registered anywhere. I think this we need to do something on very, very urgently. And in addition to that, a bad mistake was done that there was no public participation adequate.
To take up more responsibility and more debts. So it's therefore important the executive needs to assure service providers that whatever you are owed by NHIF will still be taken over by SHA after the due diligence process is completed. Second, Honorable Speaker, yes, we might have insurance cover, but if the primary facilities do not have adequate resources, then the entire system, Honorable Speaker, is going to collapse.
Getemba Television,